Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our writing week, and oh, are we going to have a lot of fun. This is our Monday Compass call, so we're going to do a brief introduction, and Victoria will take us away.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the writing week. This, as you might have guessed, is my favorite week. So we've been covering kind of different but similar ground over the last few sessions. And you may recall from last week, we talked about using your note box, your Zettelkasten, as a way to put away those items that you've been creating, regardless of whether you're writing a conflict-driven or a non-conflict-driven story. And we looked at what that might look like and how you might seat those cards into where they live. So, no spoilers, but for tomorrow's writing session, what I want to do is I want to flip that on its head and take a look at how you use your Zettelkasten and those things that you're collecting and creating as a venue to feed into whatever your writing project is. So we're just going to dive in tomorrow and take a much closer look at what does that process look like? How do you workflow having all of these into something that is a workable draft of your writing? Some might even call that a zero draft, but we won't call it that. We'll just call it writing because this is writing week. So with that, I will send you over to Kathleen.
Okay, thank you, Victoria. Well, my writing assignment is going to be a little bit different. I am not asking you to create any part of a story. I'm not asking you to write anything that's going to be shared as here's the words that I want my readers to read. No, what I'm going to have you write is take your lesson that you wrote for Victoria, following Victoria's guidelines, and you're going to be taking that lesson and breaking down what you see in your own writing as far as the character traits. Which character trait is visible in what you just wrote? Which character has that trait? And why? Oops, no more spoilers. Gotta wait for tomorrow for the map. So come on back tomorrow where we'll go into more detail on how we're going to structure our writing week this time. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.